This is the video for the main program of the Word 7 game. I've highlighted the first part of it in green. First it says if task is equal to 0, go to AA. Here. Then take the absolute value of game number and put it in game number. Then it says branch if the game number is equal to the was game number to AC, which is down here. But if it's a new game, they won't match, but it does then set the was game number to the game number, the task to 1, sets up the blue notebox sequence. Then it calls routine 100 to initialize the game number, then routine 101 to initialize the word data, then it exits. But it made was game number equal to the game number, so the next cycle that comes around, these two will be equal, and it'll go to AC, comes down here, sets the blue note box to note 1, and does a couple instructions here that have to do with showing these videos, so we'll skip those two. The next one, though, here, calls routine 101, which is a click for letters, the green box and the blue box, and to remove. That's the black box. Then it calls routine 102 to display the answer, the mixed word, and the test word. Then it calls routine 104, which is routine that flashes you win when the test word matches the game word. Then it sets the font to bold 24 point, the color to dark red, X and Y position 1525, shows the text game number, then it adds a little to X, and then it does the box for game number. We'll go look at the game. That's this part right here, game number. Now I've highlighted another part of the main program in green. Starts out setting X, Y values to 1835, tall to 20, wide, W, to 68, a color to 666, which be a gray color. Then it does a rectangle fill, and then it says this rectangle is clickable and sets it to 6 as the value for its click number. Then it increases X and Y a little bit, makes the font bold 12 point, color black, and puts the text answer. And then it checks to see if 6 was clicked. If it wasn't clicked, it goes down here to AD. If it was clicked, it's going to add 1 to the show answer and then mod it with 2. This is like a toggle switch. Show answer is either 0 or 1. If it's 0, it's not going to show the answer. If it's 1, it will. So this is where it toggles between 0 and 1. Next, it sets the font to bold 24 point, the color 40, which is a green, sets X and Y to 250-25, and says the text word number. Then it adds a little to X and says box the number for the word count. Now I'm going to go to the program to show you what these things did. To execute the program, the first one made this gray box and put answer in it and made it clickable as number 6. Then it went up here and set word number and put the 1 here. Now I've highlighted the last part of the main program. Here it says font 424, so it's bold 24 point. Color is 4, which would be a dark blue. Sets X and Y to 445 and 5. Tall and wide to 24 and 206. Then it says the color is 3, which is again a dark color. Rectangle fill. And then it says this rectangle is clickable as click number 2. Then it adds a little to X, a little to Y, sets the font to bold 14, the color to 990, which is yellow, puts the text in this box, click for the next word, and then it checks to see if it was clicked on, because up here it said it was clicked as number 2, and here it says if it's not clicked, goes to AE and exits. Otherwise, it goes to routine 101, initialize the word data, because you just told it to go to the next word. Let's see what this means. This is this box right here. And when you click it, it'll go and initialize another word. Alright, that's the end of the routine video for the main program of Word 7.